En el pasado hablaba español muy lentamente y con un acento muy gringo.
I remember when I was first learning Spanish. When I spoke my beginner Spanish, people were kind, but I could see the sweet foreigner smile every time.
Over time, I figured out I was actually holding my accent back, and today I want to share the practical things that help me sound a lot more natural and stop me from speaking Spanish like a gringa. Let's get into it. First tip. I changed how I shape the sounds. English sits farther back in the mouth, Spanish sits more forward. Siempre pienso en ti. Siempre pienso en ti. Once I stopped pushing everything from my throat and relaxed my jaw, things sounded way less stiff and my Spanish started to sound much more natural. But the biggest change came from shortening my vowels. In English, we naturally stretch vowels all the time. Here. No. Wow. It's just how the language works. In Spanish, vowels are short, clean, and consistent. So instead of saying something like hola, I practiced making it hola. Quick, simple, done. This automatically pushed the sound forward in my mouth. Shorter vowels means less tension in the mouth. And that means more natural accent. You can literally feel your mouth do less work when you get it right.
Say cena.
Cena.
Try again, but keep it lighter. Shorten the vowels like it's in the front of your mouth.
Cena.
Yes, there you go.
Oh, yay!
Second tip. I practiced the melody, not just individual words. One thing I didn't realize at first is that English has a bouncy up and down rhythm, while Spanish flows in smoother lines. My early Spanish was basically word, 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 word. Yo quiero comer en el parque, like a robot. So I started listening to whole Spanish sentences just for the melody, not the vocabulary. I'd repeat the entire rhythm, even if I didn't understand everything yet. For example, instead of focusing on the words in ¿Quieres venir conmigo mañana?, I tried to copy the whole shape of it, how it rises and falls, how quickly it moves, how it connects. Entire sentences can almost sound like one long word. The rhythm did more for my accent than any fancy trick focusing on a single sound. Before I would say ¿Quieres venir conmigo mañana?, now I say ¿Quieres venir conmigo mañana? Third tip. I lightened my sounds instead of pushing them. When I started, I was speaking Spanish way too loudly. I don't mean I was shouting. I was just putting too much pressure on every sound, like English. Spanish is lighter, airier, not whispery, just less muscular. The moment I reduced the weight of my consonants, my accent improved fast. English pushes as strongly on sounds like P, T, K. Spanish versions are softer. P, T, K. With less puff of air. Try the Spanish pronunciation tip. Put your hand in front of your mouth and say pa, pa, pa. Feel that air blast? Now say pa, pa, pa. Like a Spanish speaker. Just a sound, no explosion. That tiny adjustment made me sound instantly more natural, especially in words like pero, not pero, poco, not poco. Tengo, not tengo. Estoy, not estoy.
Brit, say poco, but don't blast the P.
Poco.
Try again, but more gentle, like the P is shy.
Poco.
Yes, see? Softer actually sounds more confident. Consejo número 4. I started learning local expressions instead of sticking to textbook Spanish. And this is the fun part. This one isn't about pronunciation. It's about sounding like you're actually part of the culture and not just reading out of a Spanish textbook.
Spanish textbooks had me saying things like Estoy muy emocionada por nuestra reunión, which is technically correct and sounds like you're emailing HR. Then I started learning the real expressions people actually use in specific places. For example, in Mexico, it is much more likely to hear qué padre instead of qué bonito, or ahorita vengo instead of voy a ir pronto.
And here in Spain, you will hear expressions like estoy reventada instead of estoy cansada, or qué guay instead of qué bueno.
Once I started picking up these local phrases, two things happened. People opened up to me way more, like I wasn't just practicing Spanish, but actually speaking it. My rhythm and accent improved automatically, because I was using the language the way locals actually speak it. Bueno, pues así es como dejé de hablar como una gringa y empecé a hablar mucho más como yo misma, pero en español. If you try even a couple of these tips, you'll feel the difference fast. Thanks for hanging out with me, and nos vemos en el próximo video.